Ukicompare machine manual yenye unakuja kufanya most of the things to the automatic, which one would you advise ni the best one? Hii automatic ni sawa kuitumia, ama kuna wakati ikianza kuharibika inasumbua? So which one is the best?
For machines, I can say performance is the same. It now depends with their ile class. So and still there is things we check, like kama kwenu kuna maji ile ya flowing water, now that one you can go for automatic. But now kama kwenu maybe maji inasumbua, so that's now when you can choose the manual. Ama place kuna another thing is the manual ama the top load inakuanga more aggressive ikifua nguo. The reason is inatumianga tu maji baridi, even though the fully automatic iko na side ya kuweka maji moto, but we are the one to supply the hot water. So hizo